Now, what is this general rule all about? The general rule is that income of a previous year is assessed in an assessment year following the previous year. So we have to understand what do we mean by this assessment year and what do we mean by this previous year. So let's try to understand, let's try to grab them one by one. First we'll start with that assessment year. So what is an assessment year? Assessment year is the year in which the income of assessee is being assessed. Simple. The year in which your income is being assessed is your assessment year. So for example, your income is being assessed in this particular year, so this is your assessment year. Now who is an assessee? Assessee is the person of whose income is being assessed, right? There would be an assessing officer who will be assessing it. So in the year in which the income is assessed of a particular assessee, that year becomes your assessment year, right? Now assessment year is the year in which the income of an assessee is assessed, but we understood something called as previous year also. Previous year, if I'm saying that I will assess your income in this particular year, so this is your assessment year, but am I going to assess your income for this year? How can I do that if this year is still continuing? Only you will get an idea of your income by the end of the year, right? You can just give me an estimate, but you cannot say what is your income. If you are assessing your income, we should know what is your income. So the income you will know only after the year. So if we are assessing it in this particular year, that means this income belongs to the previous year, to the last year. The last financial year of the assessment year is called as previous year. A previous year is the year of which assessee's income is being assessed. Now this previous year, now there could be some confusion, but if we are saying like today is the today is the assessment year, then yesterday will be a previous year. Now when we are saying year, we should also know what is an year. Now the technical definition is it is a period of 12 months, which we already know. But when does it start? It starts on the 1st April and ends on the 31st March of the next following year, right? Not on any random 1st April and any random 31st March. 1st April of this year, so 31st March of next following year, right? That is your year. Now let's take an example through which we will understand assessment year and previous year. So for example, the year of assessment is assessment year 2023-24. So as of now, if we are saying from 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024 is your assessment year, so previous year will be just a preceding year. So the preceding year will be 2022 and 23, so which becomes 1st April 2022 to 31st March 2023. You let me know in the comment section in which assessment year you will fall, right? That is your understanding of assessment year and previous year. I believe very simple.